7 lessons from the book No Fears, No Excuses, What You Need to Do to Have a Great Career by Larry Smith. 1. Choose a career that you truly enjoy and care about. When you work on something you love, it's easier to stay motivated and excel. 2. Don't wait for chances to come to you. Seek out and create opportunities yourself to advance your career. 3. Face and overcome your fears about taking risks or failing. Facing these fears helps you grow and progress in your career. 4. Stop making excuses for why you're not succeeding. Take responsibility for your actions and focus on solving problems instead of blaming others. 5. Put in the effort and time needed to achieve your goals. Hard work and persistence are essential for building a successful career. 6. Always look for ways to improve your skills and knowledge. Continuous learning helps you stay relevant and competitive in your field. 7. Network and connect with people in your industry. Strong professional relationships can provide support, advice, and opportunities for advancement. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more great ideas to inspire you.